Designing workshops and intervention sessions is one of the essential functions within sports psychology. To improve performance, promote well-being, or resolve specific difficulties, it is not enough to simply identify a problem. It is necessary to plan structured interventions that respond to the real needs of the athlete, the team, or the organization. Therefore, all effective action must be based on a prior evaluation process that allows for understanding the situation and selecting the most appropriate strategies. The intervention process begins with gathering information and analyzing the variables that influence the athlete's behavior. Based on this evaluation, hypotheses are established, tested through interviews, observations, and psychological tests, and specific intervention objectives are designed. Once the needs have been identified, the sports psychologist can plan workshops or individual sessions focused on developing skills such as self-confidence, goal setting, pressure management, concentration, or visualization. These interventions must be adapted to the age, experience, and characteristics of each athlete, ensuring that the techniques used are understandable, useful, and applicable to sports practice. However, the success of an intervention does not depend solely on its design. It is essential to evaluate the results obtained, verify whether the expected changes have occurred, and carry out follow-up to consolidate the learning acquired. In this way, the workshops and intervention sessions become strategic tools to promote the athlete's comprehensive development and optimize their performance in a planned, progressive, and sustainable manner.